Welcome back. Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin here this afternoon.
I know, I keep wanting to say this morning too.
Same.
This smells amazing. What are we cooking?
Yeah, well, it is perfect for fall and comfort food, and everyone's maybe looking for something fun to make. So this is a homemade roasted pumpkin tomato bisque. Absolutely wonderful, homemade, and it's not that hard to make. Anyone can make it. So you're going to start with 9 Roma tomatoes, cutting those in half lengthwise, and then 1 onion along with some garlic and some olive oil, and roast that in the oven for about 25 minutes until all the flavors blend together. And then in a large Dutch oven, you can blend that mixture along with your pumpkin puree, some chicken broth, and then once you bring that to a boil, I know we didn't have time to make it all right here and today, you're going to add in some Wisconsin cheese. So we have 1 1/2 cups of Wisconsin Fontina cheese, and this is an apple smoked Fontina made locally in Laval by Sid Cook. He's a Wisconsin master cheesemaker, won many awards, and you always look for that proudly Wisconsin seal. So a great smoked apple flavor, perfect for the fall. And then also 1 cup of a local heavy whipping cream from Sassy Cow. So 1 cup of cream. You can see it gets to a nice, beautiful consistency. There's also paprika, a little pepper, sugar, cinnamon, and I know that they can't smell it at home, but it just smells wonderful.
It does. It's filled up the studio.
Yeah.
The croutons made out of grilled cheese, right?
So a little more dairy products. You can use that real butter and cheese for homemade croutons.
That's really cool.
This is a meal in a bowl right here. You've got with the grilled cheese and the whipping cream and everything you've put into it. I don't know if you need much else.
Yeah, and it just has all the flavors of fall, and especially
really
with Wisconsin cheese having the apple smoked Fontina,
yes.
It just brings it all together. It melts beautifully, and it's really creamy and delicious.
Angie, we're pretty sold.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Where can we find the recipe?
You can find all the recipes on wisconsincheese.com.
Thanks for joining us this afternoon, Angie.
Thank you.